So this video will be showing you how to access to the website editor. So first of all, you will landing in this home page of the back end of Shopify. So you have to click on this online store, and then it will come to this page. So this one is the current theme, and then if you want to customize anything, you just click on customize, and then it will lead you to this website editor. So in this website editor, you can add on anything you want, or you can adjust the sequence of the website. And also it also comes in a mobile view, so you can preview how it looks like in mobile version. Yeah, and so a full screen. So the full screen view is without the editor part here. So desktop is with the editor part, so you can drag and drop anything you want here.